change this. Because, I don't know, it's just, I feel weird. No, I just feel very hairy now. I feel like a chipmunk. A chipmunk! Sounds like we sound like them. We do, don't we? We do. We're the next album of chipmunks. Blue and Hughes. Chipmunks. I'm back in. I don't know what to do. We're too far gone now. Oh man. Maybe we're on a spicy that looks like a hair. Yeah. I think they got us under some kind of hypnosis. What kind of hypnosis? I don't know. Makes us think that this is our house, which really is not. Creepy.